सिर्फ राजनीति।
यस मिस्टर मिनिस्टर।
सभापति जी।
ओके यस प्लीज चंदू मांजरा जी प्लीज।
बैठिए बैठिए प्लीज।
चंदू मांजरा जी प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज
बैठिए बैठिए भैया बैठिए।
आपस में बात नहीं करें, आपस में बात नहीं करें। नो नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड। चंदू मांजरा जी प्लीज आइए। ओके जी मिस्टर मिनिस्टर। यस
सभापति जी, जो आज 2 बजे जो प्रस्ताव दिया, देश में धर्म परिवर्तन, मजहब परिवर्तन के संदर्भ में कुछ लोगों ने आंदोलन व्यक्त करते हुए उसी के बारे में सदन में चर्चा चाहा, आपने अनुमति दिया। आज गृह मंत्री नहीं होने के कारण से इसका जवाब मुझे देना पड़ रहा है। मित्रों, मैं सभी महानुभावों का, श्री ज्योतिराज सिंधिया, श्री सुमेधानंद सरस्वती जी, श्री कुमार जी, प्रोफेसर सौगत राय जी, भर्तृहरि मेहताब जी, अरविंद सावंत जी, श्रद्धेय मुलायम सिंह जी, श्रद्धेय देवगौड़ा जी, श्री विश्वेश्वर रेड्डी जी, मोहम्मद सलीम जी, राजमोहन रेड्डी जी, मुरली मोहन जी, तारिक अनवर जी, पप्पू यादव जी, मोहम्मद बशीर जी, कौशलेंद्र कुमार जी और श्री मान जी है मेरा मित्र। हाँ चंदू आ रहा और श्री चंदू माजरा जी, श्री भाई असुद्दीन ओवैसी जी, श्री प्रेमचंद्रन जी और जयदेव जी, बीजेपी का राजेंद्र अग्रवाल जी और अंत में बहन रंजिता रंजन जी। अरे भाई इन सबका मैंने ये हमारा मित्र पप्पू कब कहाँ दर्शन देते मालूम नहीं, कभी यहाँ कभी वहाँ कभी वहाँ। मैडम आई मस्ट टेल यू। ठीक है, this is an important issue. This is an issue which is agitating the entire country. Some people are seeing it from the narrow angle. As for the government, as for personally myself, right from my student days, looking it from a different angle. This conversion or reconversion is a national challenge. It is a very serious issue. It cannot be used for the sake of politics and just to criticize this government or that government, accuse this government or that government. This is not happening today. It has not happened yesterday. It is not happening only in Mulayamji's state, or it's not happened in some other state. In different parts of the country at different times, there were certain incidents. So the entire country has to seriously introspect, look into this issue and come out with some sort of meaningful solutions. When this debate notice was given, I thought it's a good opportunity where many people will introspect and also give valuable, meaningful, constructive suggestions. But I must tell you, Honorable Speaker, I'm partly disappointed. But at the same time, elated by, I heard Bhartrihari Mehtab. I heard even Deva Gowda ji. I heard Mulayam Singh ji. I heard अभी रंजिता जी का मैंने सुना है और सभी का नाम मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ। कुछ लोगों ने अपना अनुभव के आधार पर कुछ रचनात्मक सुझाव दिया और उसका विश्लेषण करने के लिए कोशिश किया। पप्पू यादव जी ने भी अपना नॉर्मल स्वभाव छोड़ के कुछ मात्रा में उन्होंने भी इस विषय में हिंदू समाज में क्या क्या कमजोरियां है इसके बारे में उन्होंने फ्लैग किया। इसके बारे में हिंदू समाज के भी एक पार्टी का ये नहीं है, वो भी मालूम होना चाहिए सबको। समाज में सभी लोग इसके बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। वो कह रहे जूता पहनने नहीं देते, मंदिर में आने नहीं देते, तो इसलिए कुछ लोग धर्म परिवर्तन किया ऐसा कह रहे। धर्म परिवर्तन करने के बाद भी जाके वहाँ जाने के बाद भी हमको यही स्थिति है, इसलिए हमको आरक्षण मिलना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं। इसके बारे में भी गंभीरता से हम लोग सोचना चाहिए। द एंटायर कंट्री शुड थिंक ऑन दिस लाइन्स बिकॉज प्लीज सुनिए भैया, some religions say they don't believe in caste system. They don't believe in discrimination. That is their stand. I am not quarreling with them. I hope that they live up to that stand and then uphold that sort of a thing, that there is no practice of untouchability. Secondly, about the issues raised, some people have tried to utilize this just to accuse our government, as if the government has done all these things and we are responsible for the entire atmosphere and vitiating the atmosphere in the entire country. We have just come to power, Honorable Speaker, only 6 months back. As if the entire atmosphere and the mindset of the people has been changed. And then some people started giving sap. What do you call it in Hindi? Sap mein? Sap ko? Kars. Kars Angrezi hai. Sap. Sap shapi hai. Abhishap. Sap shapi hai. अरे आप ऐसा करें तो जाए. भाई थोड़ा सा आप लोग संयमन बरतो, वेट करो. आपको जब मौका मिलेगा तब अभी आया. पूरा देश भर में, दुनिया भर में हमारा प्रधानमंत्री जी का प्रशंसा हो रहा है. चुनाव के बाद चुनाव में वो जीत रहे. मैं राजनीति में पढ़ना नहीं चाहता हूं. आप लोगों ने जिक्र किया इसलिए बता रहा हूं. आप लोगों ने जिक्र किया इसलिए मैं बता रहा हूं. मैं राजनीति में नहीं जाना चाहता हूं. यहां भाषण सुन के कोई किसी का मन में तुरंत परिवर्तन आएगा ऐसा नहीं है. परिवर्तन का प्रवाह चल रहा है देश में. परिवर्तन का प्रवाह चल रहा है. आपने देखा होगा पहली बार भारत का इतिहास में श्रीनगर में शेर ए कश्मीर का स्टेडियम में जिस तरह का लोग, अलग अलग समूह का, सभी मजहब का लोग काफी संख्या में आए और प्रधानमंत्री का भाषण सुना. But it's not palatable to you. What can I do? What? It's not palatable. हाँ यार. रिजल्ट देखो. अब रिजल्ट. सुरेश जी, मित्र सुरेश जी, 23 के बाद छुट्टी होगा. बाद में काउंटिंग होगा. काउंटिंग के बाद रिजल्ट आएगा. रिजल्ट के बाद हम दोबारा हाउस में मिलेंगे, बजट सेशन में भी. इसलिए आज का समाप्त नहीं. मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ. झारखंड में क्या होगा, जम्मू कश्मीर में क्या होगा, वो इश्यू नहीं है. मैं प्लीज. So my point is, the Prime Minister has rightly said by some of our honorable members, what is the agenda on which we fought the election? The agenda was development, good governance. This is the agenda on which people gave us mandate. And now also.
Please.
There is no development for the Congress party. What can I do? In spite of your best efforts, you are dwindling. You will dwindle also. It's really unfortunate for the country. I don't want the Congress party, which is supposed to be the senior-most party, to dwindle further.
Please.
Exactly. Yes. 5 साल के बाद देखेंगे.
Please.
5 साल के बाद देखेंगे. 5 साल के बाद देखेंगे. Have patience, Babu, please. We have been in opposition for 50 years. We have patience. You must have patience. Accept the reality. You have been rejected. We have been elected and selected. Try to understand this. This is the message of the people. Please have some patience. Don't try to. Madam Speaker, some people said, my friend Sri Saugat Rai ji, whom I respect him, he was particularly mentioning time and again about one minister going to astrologer. What is the problem? I am not able to understand. I have a cutting. I will send it to him. I don't want to name the minister's name because he's friend to me. I respect him also. Vastu for a minister office purified by priests. Sunday Guardian. And the minister sent people to Tirupati to get his office room purified and furniture reset according to befitting Vastu position. What is the subject? I know better than you. You need not teach me anywhere in school. I was in high school. Please try to understand.
Please, every now and then, this is not necessary.
Madam, nothing wrong. Nothing. Some people believe in Vastu. Some people believe in astrology. Some people believe in something else. Some people believe in Rahu column. I believe in every column. I don't follow Rahu column. My grandfather told me, as long as you are alive, every column is good for you. The moment you are not there, it is good for others. So, I am not on that. So, this is one thing. I can place it on the table of the house also. Secondly, my friends, I thought Sri Bashir ji, whom I respect and who has worked with me in standing committee for long, and also some people were trying to again pinpoint as if the government is going back and then taking the country to age-old, then Sanskrit and all. I'm just coming to it. So, Madam, the conference that was held 13th to 15th September 2013, wherein it was resolved that all the secondary schools in the country should introduce Sanskrit as a compulsory subject up to class 10th. The three-day conference was inaugurated by HRD Minister, I don't want to name, in the presence of another MOS Minister of State, Sri Jitin Prasada, and Congress senior leader, our respectable member of parliament, very senior, whom everybody respects, Sri Karan Singh. They were also present on the closing ceremony of the function, Sri Prasada. And in a letter dated to 7th January, the HRD minister has asked the vice chancellors of central universities to explore possibilities of opening Sanskrit department and to furnish action taken in this regard. One is in school, made it mandatory. Another is asking vice chancellors to explore the possibility of having Sanskrit. Yeah, explore the possibility. Yeah, explore the possibility.
Please.
First make it compulsory to students and then explore possibility of universities. Nobody has said. No. I can understand.
I'm sorry.
See,
Nothing will go on record like this.
क्या है running commentary?
ऐसा नहीं होता है. Please.
What is your?
Please.
Have some patience. You have to be patient for 5 years, each year 365 days, and each day 60 hours, and each day you have 24 hours, and every hour 60 minutes, and every minute 60 seconds. You have to have this patience. There is no way, because then again, madam, some people said that the non-vegetarian meals is stopped. Non-vegetarian meals were stopped during the earlier regime. That question also I can give the paper. My request is, please don't spread misinformation, disinformation. You argue with us, yes, some of us respect Sanskrit, and some of you respect more German. Okay? Your affection is there, my affection is here. What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that? Sanskrit is a great language. It's an ancient language. It's an ancient language. So that being the case, there is nothing wrong. There is nothing wrong. So friends,
Please.
there is no question of compromising. If you have patience, please.
Please, this is not
You
the way.
introduce yaar. You are always having self goals. Please sit down further. I don't want to go further. I don't want to go further. Then, ma'am, another. Truth is sometimes unpalatable. What can I do, Suresh? I can't change the truth. Right? Another propaganda. After this government came, communal tension, temperatures have risen across the country. This is the propaganda which you are doing. And the same was, see, communal violence down data. I can give you all these details also. This is not my figures. This is the figures collected from different states by the Home Ministry. So you can get that. This is also another thing.
ओहो, आप कमेंटेटर बॉक्स में बैठे हो क्या?
टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया है ना, खरीद टाइम्स नहीं है ना, इंडिया टाइम्स है. And then, because my friend Sri Kadgeji, who is not here, he has quoted earlier charged that incidents of communal violence are increased during the NDA took over and all. They are not increasing. You may be disappointed. You may be increasing the number, but they are not increasing on the field because they know that there is a government which means business. Then coming to this, coming to the present issue, ma'am, another issue. Just now I have spoken to the Collector Agra, DM, whom they call a DM. Collector Agra told me there is total peace. There is no problem with regard to public order. Even Mulayam Singh ji said it. A senior man, he is former chief minister of the state. Irrespective of parties and all, we respect his experience. And though he himself is not happy with the general law and order there and all, he has been giving suggestions. That's how the statesman should really advise and guide people. That's what he is doing. I'm happy about it. So I spoke to him. And then, as far as I just had a discussion with the Home Ministry officials. The Home Ministry officials told me they are in touch with the state government. And then, after this incident took place, a FIR was lodged and it is registered. The inquiry is on, as if heavens are falling on earth. You try to say, no, you should be held responsible and all. How can I be held responsible? Law and order is a state subject. action or no action is to be decided by the state government. I am not here to criticize the state government also. It happened in Uttar Pradesh, it may happen some other state also. Fortunately, different states of the country are ruled by different parties. In center, we are in power. In some states, you are in power. You were in power till yesterday. You are not in power today. You may not be in power in other states also. That's a different matter. So, madam, so keeping that in mind, what I suggest is on UP, you prove to be wrong. On communal violence, increase of communal violence, you prove to be wrong. On Sanskrit, you prove to be wrong. On non-vegetarian, you prove to be wrong. On going to astrologer, you prove to be wrong. My point is, now, let us come to the another basic issue, ma'am. We respect the freedom of the faith. ऐसा दादागिरी नहीं चलेगा. मैं एस्केप नहीं करूंगा. रात 12 बजे तक बोलते रहूंगा. आप चिंता मत करो. बैठिए आप. We respect.
बेनकाब हो गए.
ठीक.
बैठिए.
सीबीआई की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद जितने बदायूं में बोलने वाले जाने वाले बेनकाब हो गए. चाहिए माफी मांगे आप.
We respect the freedom of faith as a fundamental right of every citizen. This is not a courtesy by this government or that government. It is enshrined in Indian Constitution. So everybody has to respect that. And then I have respect for other religions. In my own village, I go to Dargah sometimes. And Dargah's name is Mastanwari Dargah. My father-in-law's name is Mastanaya Naidu. That's the culture, Indian culture. I'm not saying I'm not going to Dargah for the sake of votes. I'm not revealing this secret because I want to have some support from any community. We believe that going to that Dargah is do good. That's the confidence. So
Please. Don't answer.
मैडम प्लीज. अरे भाई,
Mr.
आपके साथ कौन है? मुस्लिम लीग आपके साथ है, मजलिस आपके साथ है. आप हमको प्रवचन दे रहे हैं.
Yes, Mr.
मित्रों, however, freedom of faith cannot be allowed to become a license for a sustained foreign-funded campaign for proselytization, which has gained momentum in various states in the country in the recent years. Tribals, scheduled castes, and poor belonging to other communities and classes seems to be the target of this proselytization.
Yes,
Mahatma Gandhi.
Mr. Minister, please. It is 6 o'clock.
Extend, ma'am.
समय को आगे बढ़ाते हैं. काम पूरा.
Mahatma Gandhi ji, I want to quote Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, I am quoting Mahatma Gandhi. I disbelieve. He said, I disbelieve in the conversion of one person by another. My effort should never be to undermine another's faith. This implies belief in the truth of all religions and therefore respect for them. It implies true humanity. Young India, April 23rd. Please underline, if I had the power, not me, Mahatma Gandhi, if I had the power and could legislate, I should stop all proselytizing. In Hindu households, the advent of a missionary has meant the disruption of the family earnings in the wake of change of dress, manner, language, food and drink. Harijan magazine, November 5th, 1935. This is what Mahatma Gandhi has said. What is proselytization? Is conversion. Conversion. This is what Mahatma Gandhi said. You never bothered about what Mahatma Gandhi said. You never followed Mahatma Gandhi's message. Mahatma Gandhi said,
Please. क्या है? Please, ठीक है ना? तो महात्मा गांधी का
ऐसा गलत प्रचार करके आप यहाँ से वहाँ गया, हमको वहाँ से आपने यहाँ भेजा. आप ऐसी ये गलत प्रचार ऐसी कंटिन्यू करेंगे और 1 दशक तक 2 दशक तक यही स्थिति बनेगा. आपको ऐसे ही बैठना पड़ेगा. ये मैं बताना चाहता हूँ. मित्रों, Mahatma Gandhi also said, The entire country is watching how I patiently heard you, how you are hearing me. Though there may not be visitors in the gallery, but the entire country is watching all of us. They will be the best judges. They have given the judgment 6 months back. They will give judgment as and when it comes also. So, sir,
Please,
sir,
please.
Mahatma Gandhi, again another quote. The deadliest poison that ever sapped the fountain of truth, that is conversion. So he has said such a strong message. He said after independence, he gave 2 advice to my Congress friends, not these friends, the original Congress friends. The original Congress friends. He said, first advice is, Mahatma Gandhi told Sabhapati ji, Mahatma ji ne kaha, disband Congress party. They have not bothered. The second advice he gave was back to villages. They have moved to towns and then even ignored Mahatma Gandhi's thing also. That's why now today the urbanization has become a reality. Even I have to take care of urban development ministry also. No. So, Swami,
Please.
then
He is not advising you. Please, every now and then don't get up.
I am not giving any Papa Parihara Patra. I am not giving any any certificate. How can I give certificate for the Congress party? Can anybody give certificate? People have rejected, then how can I give certificate?
नहीं, please, सब नहीं बोलेंगे.
They have criticized the RSS.
Please.
They have
You please address.
सभापति जी,
Yes.
उन लोगों ने मेरा पार्टी का, मेरा सरकार का और जिस संगठन को हम बहुत आदर करते हैं, ऐसा संगठन के बारे में उन लोगों ने क्या-क्या बोला, राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के बारे में क्या-क्या बोला, क्या संबंध है, हाउस में जो बहस चल रहा है इसका और राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ का क्या संबंध है, हमको समझ में नहीं आया. जब मैं बोलूंगा तो उनको आपत्ति है, जब मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का नाम लूंगा उनको आपत्ति है. RSS means is the great organization in the country, ready for selfless service. That is RSS. I feel proud. I feel proud. I have the RSS background. Because of RSS background, discipline, character, caliber, capacity, I have come to this level. And I feel proud. Many of us have this background. And then their background is known.
ये क्या तरीका है? Please.
I have been Swami Vivekananda.
Get out of it, please.
I'm Swami Vivekananda, 28th November 1893. Swami Vivekananda is reported to have said, I have often been asked,
Please.
what is this?
Please. No, I am sorry. Please sit down. Sit out of it. Please. क्या है? Reply सुनना पड़ेगा. You have to. Please. No, please. Suresh ji, please. Rajesh ji, you go to your seat.
कितना भी ये लोग आवक व्यक्त करें,
Let them.
हम
बैठिए ना. बैठिए ना. अरे क्या हो रहा है? What is all this? आप तो बैठिए. Your minister is speaking. Please बैठिए.
मैडम स्वामी विवेकानंदा, very good. बैठिए. मैडम, जब नोटिस दिया मैडम, मैंने आपको बताया यही होने वाले हैं. वो लोग नोटिस देंगे, हंगामा करेंगे, आलोचना करेंगे, टॉकआउट करेंगे, वर्कआउट करेंगे. ये उनका पद्धति है. They don't follow democratic principles. They don't have respect towards their political opponents. They don't give.
Please. Yes, मुलायम सिंह जी क्या है?
ठीक है, आपका विचारधारा अलग है, हमारा विचारधारा अलग है.
तब रहेंगे तो डुबो नहीं बैठ का करता हूँ.
Yes. Yes.
Madam Sabapati ji,
Yes.
I would not have gone one line, one word this way or that way. But if they accuse and abuse the mother organization from where we have taken inspiration, I cannot be a silent spectator for all the abuses that are made. Sri Dinanath Batra is one of the great educationalists. You may differ with him, you can criticize him, but how do you abuse and condemn him? That's another point. So we have to put the record straight. This parliament is there forever. These parliament records are there for future generation also. So I am not only talking for the members of parliament here, I am talking for the people of the country because we have been elected for that purpose. Ma'am, Swami Vivekananda said in 28th November 1893, I have been asked in this country, USA, if I am going to try to convert the people here in America. I take this for an insult. If somebody says that I have come to America to convert people, I take this for an insult. I do not believe in this idea of conversion. Today, we have a sinful man. Tomorrow, according to your idea, is converted and attains unto holiness. How this change comes? Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, ma'am. It's a very important debate. You should go in the history of the parliament. Dr. Gopal, who wrote biography of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, said, Radhakrishnan was particularly critical of the missionaries in India and did not hesitate to describe the Anglican people as linked up with British imperialism. Not my words, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He said that intelligent understanding of deeper unity of principles among all religions, that is the need of the hour. What Quran says, what Bible says, what Bhagavad Gita says, what Guru Granth Sahib says, we must try to understand the deeper meaning and then do soul searching and then try to live up to the expectations of that religion which we are professing. Ma'am, religion is personal according to me. I am coming to that. Purushottam Das Tandon. Purushottam Das Tandon, many of these people may not remember his name also. We congressmen, he said, quote, we congressmen deem it very improper to convert from one religion to another or to take in such activities, and we are not in favor of this. Sri M. Anant Sen Iyengar. It is unfortunate religion is being utilized not for the purpose of saving one's own soul, but for disintegrating the society. The British government, during the British government and cabinet mission, number of conversions have taken place. This is dangerous. What has the religion to do with the secular state? This is what Anant Sen Iyengar said in the Constituent Assembly. Coming to Sardar Patelji. Sardar Patelji, my favorite leader, and favorite leader of the many in this country, the Iron Man of India, who is the unifier of India. Sir, this is not a matter free of difficulties. It is well known in this country that there are mass conversions. Conversions by force, conversions by coercion and undue influence. And we cannot disguise the fact that children also have been converted. Children also have been converted. This is what Sardar Patelji said at that time. R.V. Dhurekar, another senior person, he said in the present environment, all sorts of efforts are being made to increase the population of a particular section in this country. I think that this clause prohibiting conversion should be retained. I submit that we cannot now tolerate things of this nature. Underline, we are being attacked and we do not want India's population, the numerical strength of the Hindus and others should gradually diminish. And after 10 years, the other people may again say, we constitute a separate nation. These separatist tendencies should be crushed. This is what Dhurekar said at the time. Madam, coming back again to the main issue, I really, when the Honorable yourself have told me that this is a notice, I had no hesitation in accepting it. Because this is a matter that should be discussed and debated. We have legislation from Orissa. I think R.N. Singhdevji's period. Satapatiji can correct me.